Square Same Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanga ukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chikuwagala subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video on us Zimbabwe. Tavigirai nyaya yabuditswa nedi Zimbabwean Mail. The Zimbabwean Mail yabuda ichibuditsa a plan iyo image to replace Nelson Chamisa with Opel Chingono muri Zimbabwe. Nelson Chamisa ari accused of being weak muri Zimbabwe. There are Western organizations who were banking on Nelson Chamisa, but now makuona as if Nelson Chamisa is weak muri Zimbabwe. Inyaya kabuda mshure kunje the protest ingekarongwa ahead of the SADC summit is now materialize. So kakonzeresa kuti the Western organizations vaonekwe vachipusha for Opel Chingono kuti awanikwe achireplace Nelson Chamisa kutaura kwatiri kuita zvinomira mushe zviri kunzi Opel Chingono akaapproach akaenda ichilema achimuudza kuti Nelson Chamisa atembeke muri Zimbabwe. Tingaziva kuona sei nyaya iyi. There is an audio yatakuvigirai yatoda kuti munzwe muri Zimbabwe pamusoro penyaya iyi. Asi before that pane statement yabuditswa the Zimbabwean Mail muri Zimbabwe vachitaura yachiti a plot to replace Nelson Chamisa as the leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change is reportedly gaining traction, with Opel Chingono emerging as the favored candidate to take over the opposition party. Chamisa is facing criticism from various quarters, including Western governments, the regional think tank, the Brenthurst Trust, and a significant portion of CCC supporters, both within Zimbabwe and abroad. Critics accuse Chamisa of displaying cowardice, poor strategic decision-making, and nepotism. Approximately 51.25% of local supporters of the Citizens Coalition for Change, Chamisa faction, along with opposition members in the diaspora, are said to be dissatisfied with his leadership. Western governments and Brenthurst Trust are reportedly frustrated after being led to believe that mass protests similar to those seen in Kenya would occur in Zimbabwe during the recent SADC summit. These protests were expected to disrupt the summit and potentially force SADC leaders to reconsider President Emmerson Mnangagwa's appointment as the regional body's chairperson. However, when such demonstrations failed to materialize, discontent with Chamisa grew. Several potential successors have been considered in the ongoing discussions, including Job Sikala, Fadzai Maere, Amos Chibaya, and Opel Chingono. Among these, Chingono has emerged as the preferred candidate to lead the Citizens Coalition for Change. The alleged plan for Chingono's rise to leadership reportedly involves orchestrating a situation where Chamisa would participate in street protests leading to his arrest. Once Chamisa is imprisoned, Chingono would be appointed as the interim leader. It is speculated that under these circumstances, Chamisa would fall ill while in prison, and there are fears that some deep state elements might exploit his vulnerability to eliminate him. Supporters of the leadership change believe that Chingono's strong connection with major international media outlets, as well as his appeal to Western leaders and some factions within the Qatari government, would bolster the opposition's chances of securing victory in the next election. The situation remains fluid, with no official statements from Chamisa, Chingono, or the CCC regarding these claims. However, if the plot to replace Chamisa proceeds, it would significantly alter the landscape of Zimbabwean politics. Ndo nyaya yabuditswa the Zimbabwean Mail muri Zimbabwe. Tingazoti noona sei nyaya iyi so tirongo kunzwisai zvataurwa one of the citizens ari mudiaspora achitaura iye achiti there are people who are trying to decampaign Nelson Chamisa, and they went kunana yakaenda ichilema vachida kudonhedza Chamisa hanzi, but masses are going to stay with Nelson Chamisa. That mungonzwa audio yemuhamadza zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
Zimbabwe, this is Chimama. It's Tuesday, the 20th of August 2024. It's 11:30. Guys, I tried to open a Twitter space 3 times. I was hacked. Chidona. So Zama again, but I've decided to send an audio to you. Nyendu Dr. Randia Opel Chingono na Nelson Chamisa. Okay. Hopo Chimono is an investigative journalist / filmmaker / corruption buster or whatever. We all know Butaka Bastanya Wombe COVID funds during lockdown period, Minister of Health Akasungwa, and he was working well na Nelson Chamisa achibuda achienda out of the country achinoita ma press conference vachishanda in sync, right? And Nelson Chamisa, on the flip side, has been in politics ever since my days angari kuvasiti. Active politician kubva ari manambiki asata arora until this very day. So he has walked a journey, a different journey that Hopo Chimono has not walked. And for me now to see these two having my differences, smearing each other, this kind of jealousness, pull someone down syndrome type of thing, it doesn't go down very well with me. Because should we be involved in that fight? Should we go down that trajectory? I don't think it's a smart idea. Hopo Chimono must stick to what he does, journalism. He is not a politician. Just because he has been able to go to international platforms, achifamba nenyaya dzema citizens. Had he not been in the side of opposition and working with Nelson Chamisa, he was never going to have the relevance on the international platform. But he had to work with someone. And he had my citizens rallying also behind him. Every time he posted, he tweeted, he released his songs and whatever, he went on Facebook. The citizens that followed Nelson Chamisa also followed Hopo Chimono. Saka zvazosvika pakuti manje Hopo akuda kutora vanhu vaya Nelson Chamisa, because he has been able to go to international platforms achifamba nenyaya dzema citizens. Had he not been in the side of opposition and working with Nelson Chamisa, he was never going to have the relevance on the international platform. But he had to work with someone. And he had my citizens rallying also behind him. Every time he posted, he tweeted, he released his songs and whatever, he went on Facebook. The citizens that followed Nelson Chamisa also followed Hopo Chimono. Saka zvazosvika pakuti manje Hopo akuda kutora vanhu vaya Nelson Chamisa akunovhura zvinhu zvake akuita zvinhu zvake uku. Oti imimi vanhu chiuya kuno kuChamisa akaipa A, B, C, D and E. Iye kuipa kwake kwataurwa nani? Corruption dzake dzataurwa nani? Who holds him to account? Ngatikwanire lisenaro cheushe chinorema and zviri kuitika izvozvizvi kuti opposition yongo meduka. Vana Welshman nuve varuko, Mwanzo varuko, Thokozani Kupa varuko, Linda Masarira varuko. People who were supposed to be one. If no Hopo lauda kuenda kuna wamona. Who benefits from that? Obviously, it's ZANU-PF. Make me understand how all these people cannot be in one room, talk to each other about way forward here Zimbabwe, just agree kuti uyu ndiye anotodiwa nevanhu. Hatitika rambonyeperana isusu. I know some people say kuti hey, Idi Mnangagwa aripo pari kutonga, but hadiwe nevanhu. Nelson Chamisa anodiwa nevanhu. Like it or not. Vanozviziva bvunza ana Monzora. Even here, Hopo, he won't go far. So the best thing is for you guys to just fight in that boardroom. At the end of the day, that's how we're going to defeat ZANU-PF. Otherwise, they benefit. Why do you think Mnangagwa himself, no matter how many times people say, hey, like we are a united front. They don't fragment.
Right.
But opposition uyaenda ni uku. Nenya yeshanje. Yero vengo kuti no Nelson Chamisa hapane kutora chimuti. Guys, can Hopo be the real opposition leader? Ya competition kaya kuti inda asungwa. Nelson Chamisa hana kusungwa. Vana mako vakasungwa wana. Some people have even died for this struggle. Chiko chiri kunetsa nemi marume imimi. Politics dzenyu dzakuzoti bowa manje. Politics dzenyu dzamakita dzakuti bowa because isisu toda kudzoka kumusha yedu, toda kuti vana vedu vaone mabasa. Toda kuti Zimbabwe inake mani imimi varume imimi. Chiko nemi. Izvezvi mukwenda kunana HH kutenderera nyika yose smearing Nelson Chamisa haasi kuita kune diplomatic cause akapiwa mari haana kuishandisa transparently akazodai. How is that going to help us? Had it not been because of this Nelson Chamisa, hamairiwana simba rekuenda kwese ikokoko. Tell us, what do you plan to do? A smear campaign? Is that your ideology? Is that is that how you plan to solve Zimbabwe? By smearing Nelson Chamisa? Opo, you need to stop what you're doing. Atili politics, the Timono send this one is Zanu PF. And I've said it before. It's not working. Always fighting. Keep fighting.